God, man, I hope this thing's alive. Man, it's 5 days. It's just not even practical. It's not even believable if this thing could be alive, man. I'd do anything for him to be alive. I'd do anything. Let's see a tail curled in there. Ain't moving, but fucking fly coming out of the box. That's never good. That SOB's alive. Holy shit. He's fucking alive. Holy shit. You can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up. Relax, homie. Relax. I can't believe it. Fucking unreal. This thing got sent out in a box on June 29th. It's July 5th. The fucking thing's alive. It looks damn healthy. Honestly. I gotta get him my food, water. Got this. Got this. Never had an animal come to me alive and die. Got this.